Hi, writers. Today I want to teach you that opinion writers talk to their audience to share their opinions with them. We think about who we're writing our letter to, and we think about what we want to say to them. Today we're going to practice how to talk to our audience, the people that we're writing our letters for. My opinion is about the book Ivy and Bean. So I think I'm going to talk to Miss Marche about Ivy and Bean because I know that she likes funny stories. So my opinion is going to be to Miss Marche. I'm writing my letter to Miss Marche. She is my audience. Dear Miss Marche, I know you like to read funny stories. I think you should read Ivy and Bean. My favorite part is when Bean got furious at Nancy and threw a handful of worms at her face. The worms were on her eyebrow, and one even got into her mouth. Yuck! That part was so cool. I hope you read Ivy and Bean. Then we can talk about our favorite parts of the book. Writers, do you see how I had to think about my audience? My audience was Miss Marche. And there's something that I know about Miss Marche. I know that she loves to read funny stories. I picked my audience. I thought about what I know about them, and I wrote my opinion. I think you should read Ivy and Bean. Then I even told her a funny part that would get her to want to read Ivy and Bean just like I did. Writers, I want to remind you that when you're writing opinion pieces, make sure that you think about who your audience is, write your letter to that audience, and give them a reason why they should read the book that you chose. So I want you to take out your writing packet, get your pen, and don't forget to take out the book that you're writing about. Think about your audience and start writing. Bye for now.